So today I'm going to show you how to make these super easy pinecone bats and spiders. So here is our little spider pinecone. And here is our cute bat pinecone. So we're going to start off with our little spider pinecone. Obviously you're going to need a pinecone and some black pipe cleaners. Now what we're going to do first is just measure the length of the legs that we're going to need. So you want to stick a length of pipe cleaner sort of inside where you're going to stick down and see how long you'd like the legs. Cut the first one and then cut 8 of them the same size. Now that we've cut all of our 8 legs, what we're going to do now is just put a little bend in the top of each leg. This is going to be the part that we stick into the pinecone with hot glue. So now it's time to stick our legs on. So we're going to grab our hot glue gun and put a bit of hot glue on the end of our pipe cleaner on the bit that we bent. We're then going to grab our pinecone, and the first leg you want to put in the middle of the pinecone at the very front. So that's our first leg done. We're going to go ahead and do the second leg, which we're going to put on the opposite side of the pinecone. When sticking your spider legs on, just make sure you're sticking them level and don't worry about the shape of them too much. We can go back later and shape them how you like when the glue has set properly. We're then going to repeat this process with all 8 of the legs, obviously working from the front of the pinecone to the back of the pinecone. Now all of our legs are stuck in, we can go around and start shaping them how you want to shape them and shaping them so he stands up on his own. So now our spider can stand up by himself. All that's left to do is to stick on his googly eyes. So now he's all finished, we're going to move on to our bat. So to start making our bat, you want to find a pine cone that will sit on its side nicely and not keep on rolling around. Now what you want to do next is on some black paper is draw out 2 bat wings and some bat ears. Then go ahead and cut them out. When you're cutting out your bat wings, you want to make sure you have a little extra length on the bit that you're going to be sticking inside the pine cone. So now the wings are cut out, we're going to go ahead and use our hot glue gun again and stick them inside our pine cone. So now it's time to cut out the little pointy ears. Now that we've cut the ears out, I am just going to fold mine in half at the top just to give them a little bit of shape. And once again, using a hot glue gun to stick them on. So now that the ears and the wings are done, again it's time for our googly eyes. And there we go, that's our bat pine cones and our spider pine cones all finished. The good thing about these, you can add some twine or some rope and stick that inside and make a garland out of them, or you can keep them how they are for the table decorations.